So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're with another hiring program that is from Capgemini. So we will discuss all the details regarding that, what role it is, what are the rounds conducted, how to study, where to study, how to apply and all. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Do not skip any part of today's video because in this I will tell all the details, and if you skip you might miss any important information that I tell you. So don't skip, subscribe with that bell button, check out all the other videos for the past 1 or 2 weeks and apply if eligible. Please don't miss any opportunity. So share it with your friends. Now let us move on to the hiring without wasting any time. So as you can see on the screen, so this is a superset official hiring page for Capgemini Exceller program. So here they have clearly given it is Capgemini Exceller program for network engineer. So the role is network engineer, location is Gurgaon, and it is an off campus. So this is clear from their side, and they have also given the last date for applying for this, so it is going to be end at Feb 8. So still you have 14 more days, and this was just posted day before yesterday. So this is the latest hiring from Capgemini, and since you have subscribed our channel you get it on time. So that's why I'm telling you to subscribe with that bell button. So now let us move on to the other details. The CTC is clearly given, it is 4.25 LPA. So the other things or instructions for applying is also given. So the instructions on applying, how you can apply, they have given that you have to have an DigiLocker account and an active mobile number linked with the Aadhaar card so that you can apply through Superset. So make sure you know all that, and the location is Gurgaon only, so make sure you are willing to relocate to the training area. And they have given it is a network engineer role, and the job description is going to be discussed now. So you have to have an aptitude or appetite to learn new technologies, you have to identify problems, give solutions, you have to seek opportunities, then regular practice in project activities, then complex skills, techniques, all those you have to have. They have given a lot of things that you may not know now as a fresher. So what I'm telling is, this is just what to say information about what you will do if you get selected in this job. It is not necessary that you must have all these from now, so they will give you training regarding that. So it is just to give you a knowledge about what role it is, and if in case they ask you in the interview, what did you know or what do you think this role is, you have to answer them. So the education qualification is BE or btech, CES or IT students can apply, and circuital branches only, or MCA students also can apply. So literally anyone can apply. And then experience is freshers only. So if you are an experienced, you can't apply. So it is a good opportunity for freshers, that to 2025 pass out students only. So for 2025 pass out students, it is a golden opportunity. So make sure you apply for this. And they have given normal basic information about this hiring. So about the hiring we have understood. Now let us move on to what are the rounds conducted. So how to crack this hiring, that we will discuss now. So how to crack this hiring, the first is online assessment, like every hiring. So in this you will be having quantitative logical reasoning, then verbal. So all those you will be having, so make sure you prepare for that. So where to prepare, that I will tell you in the end of the video, so make sure you watch this till the end. And other things also you have to learn, so those are mentioned in the technical interview, so that we will discuss. So apart from this, you will be having English communication test also, so make sure you prepare or practice for that also, listening, speaking, or maybe grammar. So make sure you prepare that. And then in technical interview they have given some topics, as you can see: LAN, WAN, MAN, VLANs, TCP, IP, routing protocols, troubleshooting. So basically, they are expecting all networking tools must be known to you. So like IP address, then DNS, all those you have to study. So that only will be asked in the online assessment also as MCQ. So make sure you prepare all these, and other than that, make sure you prepare a resume that is very good and it is very simple, and whatever you ask from the resume you can answer. So that is the main thing. So regarding that I will make another video, so make sure you subscribe. And then after that you will be having HR interviews. In HR interview, basic your confidence, your communication, your body language, so that is only going to be tested. So if you have come up to managerial interview, it means you're almost clear. So make sure you take a note of all those. And now if you're wondering like where to study for all these, don't worry, I got you. So for the online assessment, then coding round, then interview, what like where you can study, what to study, that I will tell you. So when you come to this WhatsApp channel, so this is the channel of our particular WhatsApp channel. So here you can see I have given a lot of TCS, IBM, Avasoft, and lot more Google Drive materials that are completely free. So for that, you have to join the WhatsApp channel and you can use it. Other than this, I give a lot of hirings that I can't post on YouTube. I give suggestions, ask opinions, and lot more will happen in this group. So make sure you join this and check out all the other videos for the past 1 or 2 weeks. And if you have any doubts regarding this hiring, previous hiring, or anything regarding placement, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. So that's it, guys. I hope you like it. Please share it with your friends. Let them also apply. So I will see you in the next video with another hiring certification course or anything that's useful for your career. So until then, take care. Bye bye. This is me signing off. Subscribe with that bell button. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Tata.